So I'm going to show you how to upload your Zoom video to YouTube. You can actually use this process to upload any video to YouTube. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic right now to make this video. I'll include a link to a tutorial on Screencast-O-Matic. As you can see, I have a webcam video showing myself, plus it is right now casting my entire screen. So back to uploading the Zoom video. The way you do this is you have to be logged into your account. I recommend being logged into your school account. Click the little buttons here, scroll down and go to YouTube. Once you're in YouTube, you click on this icon, create a video and more, and you go to upload video. Now you're going to select a file. You need to know where your Zoom videos are. Mine are downloading on the local disk here. Okay. If I click here, I have a Zoom folder. Here's my video tutorial. I'm going to open it. I'm going to give it some details. This is a video. I'm going to call this Zoom tutorial. That's my video that I'm uploading. You can give a description. You can put it to a playlist you might have. Hit next. But yeah, it's made for kids. Next. I'm going to make this public so anyone with the link can see it. Click publish. And now the tutorial is published to my YouTube channel. Here's my link. And there's my tutorial. And I can copy and paste this link right here to Schooloop, to Google Classroom, or anywhere you want to kind of give this message out to students. You can email the link, whatever you need to do. Now, why you might want to do this is because I can upload a huge file to YouTube and it will make a video, and now I have a link that's easy to share, rather than uploading like an MP3 file or a file. Sometimes these big files won't upload to Schooloop and they won't upload to Google Classroom. If you have any questions, let me know.